6 amazing birds that have gone extinct. The birds we have lost forever. In life, people are often told that they only realize the true value of something when it goes missing from their lives. Hundreds of species of birds have been wiped out by human activity in the modern era. Everyone knows that birds descended from dinosaurs, and, like dinosaurs, birds have been subject to the kinds of ecological pressures, loss of habitat, climate change, human predation, that can render a species extinct. Here's a list of the 6 most notable birds that have gone extinct in historical times. Number 6. Carolina parakeet. The Carolina parakeet was a colorful bird and the only parrot species found in North America. Specifically, it was found in the coastal plains of Alabama and often migrated in large flocks to Ohio, Iowa, Illinois and the areas of the eastern United States. It is described as weighing only about 280 grams and standing at about 12 inches. The Carolina parakeet was posed to various threats, the biggest one being deforestation, that destroyed their natural habitats, making them homeless. Soon when the forests were completely cleared out to create space for agriculture, some farmers shot these birds, considering them as pests that may attack their crops. It was also famous for its colorful feathers that were used for many decorative purposes. In the 1930s, several unrecorded sightings of the Carolina parakeet were reported in places like Alabama, Florida, and South Carolina. Although how the last of them came to be extinct is still unknown, credit still goes to the numerous shootings and killings which severely reduced the numbers of this bird. Number 5. The Eskimo curlew. Known to European settlers as the prairie pigeon, the Eskimo curlew was a small, inoffensive bird that had the misfortune to migrate in a single gigantic flock from Alaska and western Canada down to Argentina via the western United States and back again. The Eskimo curlew got it coming and going. During the migration north, American hunters could pick off dozens of birds with a single shotgun blast, while Canadians pounced on the fattened up birds before they embarked on their return trip south. The last confirmed sighting of the Eskimo curlew was about 40 years ago. Number 4. Bachman's warbler. The Bachman's warbler was first discovered by John Bachman as early as 1832 in South Carolina. This migratory bird was described as being the smallest of any other known warbler. It was identified by its distinct appearance, gray-colored wings and tail, yellow belly. The males were a shade darker than the females. Man's influence played a major role in the extinction of the Bachman's warbler, since it built its nests in small ledges of bamboo canterbrakes in wetlands. It was easily destroyed by swamp reclamation and destruction of forestland. Other causes were ravaging hurricanes and gathering of specimens for museums. Although the extinction of the Bachman's warbler has not yet been announced officially, none have been spotted since the 1960s. The last sighting of this animal was in the western region of Cuba in 1981. Number 3. Hawaii-o-o. Also called as the Kauai, the Hawaii was a forest bird that was native to the island of Kauai. The arrival of humans in the island, coupled with habitat destruction and introduction of exotic species, had caused the great decline in the Hawaii population. Unfortunately, this bird became extinct in 1987. Number 2. Passenger pigeon. The story of the now extinct passenger pigeon is one of the saddest stories. This abundant bird was wonderfully social and lived in great flocks. It largely inhabited the lush forests of North America before was wiped off the face of this earth in the early 20th century. The passenger pigeon was principally hunted down as a source of food, especially when its meat was capitalized in the 19th century as food for the poor slaves brought in from Africa. Due to man's intrusion of the forests, in order to create space for industrialization, the friendly passenger pigeons were annihilated, and their forests were burned down. The last actual passenger pigeon named Martha, died in the Cincinnati Zoo in 1914. A song entitled Martha, the last of the passenger pigeons, is dedicated to Martha. She must have lived an extremely lonely life with all her relatives forever gone. Number 1. The Stevens Island Wren. Lest you think only North American birds are at risk of going extinct, the flightless mouse-sized Stevens Island wren lived way down under, in New Zealand. When the first Aboriginal human settlers arrived, about 10,000 years ago, this bird was forced to decamp to Stevens Island, 2 miles off the coast. There the wren persisted in blissful isolation until the 1890s, when an English lighthouse building expedition unwittingly unloosed its pet cats, which quickly hunted the Stevens Island wren to complete extinction. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more.